So what is this parallel imaging here? Very commonly used in practice also. So this is important. So in parallel imaging, we are basically relying on this phase encoding gradient, that in this one particular slice, different coils will have different sensitivity. So what the concept here is that we already know the position and sensitivity profile of the different coils. So that is basically going to tell us that what information is coming. So the spatial localization and the sensitivity, the buzzword here is that different signal sensitivity comes depending on the distance from the source, right? So look at this concept here, you'll understand better. Each coil receives a signal with strength dependent on its distance from the source, right? So this means that हर एक coil में different signal intensity आने वाली है. So if I know the signal intensity is directly proportional to the source, do you agree that can help me in spatial localization? Means my reliance on the phase encoding gradient can actually decrease. Yeah, so here I'm relying on that slice encoding gradient telling me the spatial distribution so that I can decrease my time devoted to phase encoding gradient. Do you get that, everybody? तो अगर ये phase encoding कम time लेगा, my sequence time will decrease. Yeah, so time to echo will decrease. So that is the concept of parallel imaging, where we localize. Spatial localization is done irrespective of phase encoding. Irrespective nahi, but decreased dependence on phase encoding or frequency encoding. So that's the concept. So look at this. This allows the reduction in the number of phase encoding steps and results in faster scan times. Okay. So obviously the benefit that we are looking for is reduced time, reduced breath hold, reduced motion, improved comfort, and lower specific absorption rate, which is one of the safety concerns of MRI. So essentially, you remember shorter scan time, बाकी सब कुछ उसी से take off कर रहा है, right? So that's what you need to remember. Look at this table, regular imaging versus parallel imaging. So regular imaging में क्या है? Coil outputs combined into a single signal, whereas each coil's signal is processed separately. So that is why the name is parallel imaging, क्योंकि हर एक coil का signal आप अलग से देख रहे हो and you are utilizing the spatial information there. So this is what it is. It uses both encoding and coil sensitivity, whereas this is only phase encoding and frequency encoding. Yeah, so that's why this is faster. Okay, so basically the gross message here is that we are relying on the relative signal intensity of different coils, and that is why I get spatial localization, reduced reliance on phase encoding. Okay, the time factor which you are saving is defined as acceleration factor R. ये R parallel imaging का नहीं है. R is any, technique that you do. How much speed gain did you get? So this R is, for vibe, for haste. I'll talk about, something else also, which is called as compressed sensing. So this R is for everything. Basically, आपको कितना फायदा मिला? How much faster could you do? So defines the speed gain. So R equals to means scan time is halved, limited by the coil geometry and signal to noise ratio loss. So that's the main thing, right? कि अगर आप phase encoding gradient के steps कम कर दोगे, do you agree overall signal received is definitely gonna reduce? Yeah. So if signal reduces, signal to noise ratio reduces. So that is the main problem here, reduced SNR. जितना fast करोगे, उतना SNR कम होगा. Very logical. Coil design is very, very important, susceptible to artifacts if calibration is poor. Okay, so these are the limitations. What sequence, you will know. So vendor specific होता है. Sense अगर आपने कभी देखा है, Siemens if you are using, so that's called as sense. You have Grappa and ARC. Okay, so ARC is what is GE vendor specific, whereas sense is Siemens specific. Okay, don't have to go into the details of this table really. Now, there is another, independent recent advanced question, which is compressed sensing. So just listen to this, how compressed sensing is different from parallel imaging. Both are to increase the speed or to increase the R. In fact, compressed sensing is even faster than parallel imaging. So look at this, acceleration factor यहाँ पे 2x to 8x है, whereas यहाँ पे 2x to 4x है. So this is even faster. यहाँ पे आप क्या करते हो? This is very much like your spiral CT, right? Where you don't visualize everything at one particular plane. Something is extrapolated by the CT machine, isn't it? That's the technique of a spiral CT कि थोड़ा सा data आप छोड़ देते हो and that the machine extrapolates. So that's what is being done here as well. So this is what, there is some word which is called as image sparsity. Okay, so this is what exploits this image sparsity with undersampling. So मुझे तो यही चीज इसमें समझ आई कि this is where you are undersampling the data, and then same term you will use in CT also, right? Iterative reconstruction. Iterative just means intelligent, right? So the machine uses its own intelligence and reconstructs the missing undersampling data. So that is what is needed. So this does need higher computing power, but not a special hardware, whereas here you do need special receiver coils with spatial sensitivities. Are you guys listening? I don't know if I'm just talking. So it's okay. I mean, I don't know the point of this being a live class, but yeah, just listen, okay? Good. Okay, one person is listening. So this is what needs high computing power, whereas this is what needs, more hardware.